Hey everybody, it's Mike Whiteside with Black Dog Salvage, and I'm in the paint studio with Swooze Hudson, my paint czar and art educator. And the paints you see right here are the players in the March. It's not March Madness, but March Painting Extravaganza. That's kind of weird. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. But anyway, these are the guys that we're going to be making the March colors out of. It's going to leave a mark. Roanoke Rain, one of our favorites. Patinio Greenio. Clear canvas.
Clean canvas.
Whoop, clean canvas. Yeah, it's clean canvas. I can't even read. Galvanized, and baby, I'm amazed. So let me get right to it, and I'm going to turn it over to Swooze.
Hey there, I've been busy mixing it up in the paint studio for March. March is one of those months that they like to say comes in like a lion and leaves like a lamb. And I chose Galvanized to be the base of all of our color recipes for this month because month starts out kind of gray. And I mixed it with Roanoke Rain. That's going to leave a mark, Patinio and Clean Canvas together, and baby, I'm amazed. And those colors created Mountain Mist, which is 1 part to 1 part, Galvanized and Roanoke Rain. Smoky Violet, which is Galvanized, and that's going to leave a mark 1 to 1. This is a little more complicated. It's 1 part Patinio, 1 part Galvanized, and 2 parts Clean Canvas. That's Celery. And then Sahara Sands is Baby I'm Amazed and Galvanized. They're muted colors because everything is just starting to come out this spring. And next month we have a whole new set of colors for you that are a bit more brighter.
A little brighter because I'm kind of getting it's a little moody, kind of.
It's muted.
March is again, like you said,
can be a gray month.
A gray month, yeah.
So I'm adding a little color to it and in a muted way, but just to show you the versatility of the Galvanized and how you too can mix it up and create your own colors from Galvanized base. And we would love to see the colors that you're creating with our line. And don't let me forget to add that we're always on the lookout for new independent retail dealers. Whether you have an antique booth, you have your own studio, you have your own furniture flipping business, we want to talk to you. So give us a call.
How can they find us, Swooze?
They can find us at 540-343-6200, or you can email me at shudson@blackdogsalvage.com. But give us a call, give us a ring, shoot me an email. I'd love to talk to you.
I think we can also go to furniturepaint.com.
Furniturepaint.com, you're exactly right.
That's a straight portal for all of the anybody that wants to be a dealer.
That's exactly right.
Wholesale dealer.
And we, I have to say, are less stringent in our requirements. Give us a call. We want to work with you.
Yeah, we want to get this out here. We want to get it out there. And you guys are the people who do there.
Exactly.
Because we're doing here. And Swooze is, she's working every day. We got classes
coming up. Check out on our website, blackdogsalvage.com, go to the paint tab, and then go down to paint classes, and the schedule's up.
All right, everybody. So you've heard it from Swooze's brain to her mouth to your ear. So anyway, I'm just a conduit here. Everybody take care of yourself, and you can find us always at blackdogsalvage.com. Shop with us, buy from us, sell to us, paint something.
That's right.
All right, everybody be good to yourself, and we'll see you next time. The paintbrush spins.
Mix it up.
I just made that up. Mix it. What's the one? Something.
Lay it down, let it lie and dry.
There you go. There's something to take home. Be good to yourself, everybody. See you next time.